Hello, everyone, and welcome to Whippanong Library's New Jersey Makers Day. Let's get started. Today, you're going to design your very first computer. Computers have many different parts to them, so today we're going to learn a little bit about what makes up a computer. So using your template, start cutting out the different pieces that you see. These first three pieces are the body of the computer, the keyboard, and the screen. Next, we're going to cut out the parts of the computer that you usually find on the inside. These are the parts that you don't usually see unless you open up the computer. Then we're going to cut out the apps that will go on at the end. We have several operating systems from which to choose: Penguin, Apple, and Microsoft. The bones of the computer include the GPU, the CPU, the hard drive, the ROM, and the RAM. You can find a link to what these different parts do in the description below. Next, I am cutting out the apps that will go on our screen. Next, we're going to match up the insides of our computer. So the base has markings that match up with the different parts. Another important component of the computer is the fan, which keeps the device from overheating. Now I'm going to glue the keyboard on top of the inner parts of the computer. So all those bones are going to be hidden. Fold your computer about halfway so you can start to see what it's going to look like when it's finished. Next, we're going to choose our operating system. If you know me, you know I love Apple, so that's what we're going to go with on this laptop. After that, we are going to glue on our screen. Next, I'm going to glue the apps or the programs to the bottom of my screen because if you know Apple, the program icons are located along the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! You've put together your first computer. Now, what are you going to make your computer do next? I can't wait to find out. Have fun!